Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to create ancient cities videos using AI. So I got this command from one of our subscriber to create tutorial on how to create these kind of videos. So let me show you how to create ancient cities using AI. For that, first we need to create the image, then we need to convert that image to video. So to create the image, we are going to use Tensor Art. So I drop a link in the description. You need to click on that link and you will get this post, and click on get more credits and sign up with your Google account or any other email account. While signing up using my link, you will get extra 50 credits. In Tensor Art, you will get 50 credits daily. Using that 50 credits, you can generate up to 25 images. So click on get more credits and sign up with your Google account. Go to create and this will be the UI. Here you need to type in the prompt and you need to select the model Flux. So you need to select the model Flux. So that will produce the realistic results. Then VAE automatic or none. Then sampling method Euler or Euler ancestral. Sampling steps 25, guidance 3.5. So if you want to post this videos in Instagram, TikTok or YouTube shorts, you need to use portrait. If you want to post it as YouTube video, you can use landscape. For this tutorial purpose, I'm going to select the landscape. Now we need to generate the prompt. So go to Chatgpt and paste this prompt. So this is the detailed prompt to generate ancient cities. I drop the prompt in the description. You can download it. Then click on this icon or press enter. And it will ask to provide the city. So I'm gonna give one city, ancient Tokyo. You can give cities or countries, but I'm gonna give city, ancient Tokyo. Enter. So you can see it will give the image prompt. This is the image prompt, then also the sound prompt. So we also create the sound using this sound prompt. So let me show it afterwards. First, we're gonna copy this image prompt and paste it on Tensor Art. Before that, you can see in this given prompt, I have asked to give specific time period, but for some reason, it is not provided the time period in the prompt. So I'm gonna mention include time period in the image prompt. Enter. So it gives the time period like 1603 to 1868. You can proceed with this or you can give your own time period. I'm going to proceed with this time period. Select the image prompt and go to Tensor Art. Paste the prompt in the prompt box. Then click on generate. Meanwhile, it is generating. You can again go to Chatgpt and give next prompt. It will provide the next scene. So again, copy this prompt. This is the second prompt and go to Tensor Art and paste. Generate. You can see the first prompt result. So you can see how realistic it is. You can see the result. So these two prompts are ancient Tokyo. Let me try different city. Go to Chatgpt and open a new chat. I'm going to paste the same prompt. I'm going to give ancient Greece. So you can see the prompt one. And again, it is not giving the time period. So I'm going to ask to mention the time period. Include the time period. So it is giving the prompt in 5th century BCE. So copy this prompt and go to Tensor Art and paste. Let me see the result. Generate, and here is the result. So these are the two results. You can select any one from here and you need to download that, then convert that into video. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select this. To download, you need to click on here to download. To convert this image to video, you need to go to Kling AI. So go to klingai.com and go to AI videos and select image to video. In Kling AI, you will get daily 66 credits for free, and you can only use Kling 1.0 for free. So I'm going to select Kling 1.0 and drop the downloaded image. Now we need to give the prompt. The prompt is optional, so you can give prompt or you can go ahead without giving the prompt. So there are two different modes to generate, standard mode and professional mode. The standard mode is faster creation and lower expense, which means it will only use 10 credits. And the professional mode is for richer details and superior quality. The professional mode is only available in paid plans. So I'm going to go with standard mode. Duration, I'm going to use 5 seconds. In negative prompt, you need to give like transition, cut, morph, etc. You need to give the words that you don't want in your video. I'm going to create two videos, one with prompt and one without. So I'm going to simply give camera zooms shows the beautiful landscape. So this is a simple prompt. You can give whatever prompt you like, or you can also use Chatgpt to generate prompt for that. Click on generate to generate. And another one I'm gonna do without prompt. So delete this. Meanwhile, the Kling AI is generating the video. We can go ahead to generate the sound effects. To generate sound effects, I'm going to use 11 Labs. So go to 11 Labs. The link is in the description. If you want to use this tool for commercial purpose, you need to purchase. So go to sound effects and go to Chatgpt and copy this sound prompt and paste it on this prompt box. So you can go ahead, change the length of the audio. So right now it is in 8 seconds. I'm gonna go with that. Generate sound effects. It will generate 4 different sound effects. You can hear that and you can download from here. If you don't like these 4 generation, you can again click on generate sounds to generate another 4 different generations. You can again check if those sounds are okay. Then you can download it. I like the generation 4, so I'm gonna click on here to download. And you can see the video got generated. At the end, there is some off, but you can cut that out using video editor. So this one is without the prompt and this one with the prompt. And with the prompt looks great. So we can definitely use this video. So now we can merge the generated audio and this video using any video editor you have. Next, go to Chatgpt and ask for next prompt. Type in next prompt and it will give the second prompt. Now copy this prompt and go to Tensor Art, paste it over here and generate. And now the image got generated. You can see these 2 images. You can select any one from here and you need to click on download to download. Then convert that image to video and use 11 Labs to generate audio. You need to do this process repeatedly until you get your desired amount of videos. Then you need to compile those videos into one using any video editor of your choice. So that's this how we can create ancient city videos using AI that are trending in Instagram, TikTok, and other social medias. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when you upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.